Autumn, look.
Hey, you're missing your present. You haven't found it
You
yet.
have a new present, Autumn, look.
Come here.
Look.
If you turn around and sit with Mama, you can see it.
Look.
You ready? Good. What do you see?
Do you see it?
You want to go look at it? Go look at it.
Yeah, go look at it, baby girl.
Go this way. Ooh.
Pull it out.
What are you doing? Do you want to go on a little ride? You're very sleepy, aren't you? Look.
You should
Oh. What is it?
A bicycle.
It's a bell.
pull it out. I need some help, Mama.
Well, Daddy wedged it back in the corner there. Okay.
Climb on.
It's a new bicycle.
Wow.
You might need a little bit of help, huh? It's kind of hard on the carpet, too.
Hey, look here. Look here. It's Uncle Brian. Tell Uncle Brian you love him. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, we're going to go ride.